Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Today we are going to unbox the Onikuma Kate headset. So here we have it. So now let's take a look around. The left side we have the model and the right side we have the brand name, and here we have the colors of the light. Down they have given some informations about the headset, and behind we have the specifications of the headset in many different languages. And then in the side we have some features of the headset. Now let's unbox the headset. So when we open, we have the headset. Now let's take it out. And then inside we have a manual. Inside we have some more stuff, so let's take it out now. We got a adapter to connect with the computer. Let's check it later. And then we got a windscreen for the mic. Now let's unwrap this and take the headset out. So in the sides we have the LED light for the gaming headset. Now let's take a look at the mic. This is the mic and you can also adjust it. The headset is flexible and it has a very soft ear cups, and it also has a very soft headband. But the sliders are not so smooth. Up we have the brand name. We have a USB jack for the light and a 3.5mm jack for the audio. With this you can on and off the mic. You can also adjust your volume by using this, and you can hang it in your collar. The wire is thick and very strong. This is the adapter we got to connect with the computer. We have two audio jacks, one is for input and the other is for output. It's very easy to connect it. You have to connect this part with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and you have to plug the other two audio jacks to the computer. Now I'm talking using the headset mic. It's really nice to use. It gives very less background noise and it's really clear when you talk or call with someone, or when you record a video, and when you give audio for a video, and when you play games too. This headset is really good and it has a good mic and a soft headband. But unfortunately the slider is not so good. But the ear cups are really good and the headset has a very good sound quality. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.